Hey, what is up everybody on YouTube? It is my brother here with another video, and today's video is going to be a little try-on haul of basically Nike Tech Fleece. But enough talking, let's see which colors I did pick out. So starting off with the single one, this is going to be the top in the University Blue colorway. So I've always wanted burgundy sweats through Nike, and I finally have a pair. These are technically called the B Roots or Beats Roots. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly, if not, my bad. But this is basically like a wine, like a dark burgundy wine color. And like I said, we had to get a matching top, so here is the matching top. And I will put this on for you guys here in a second for the try-on haul, but for now we're just going over what I did pick up. And for those of you who know me, know that I love purple, so I did pick up the purple set. So here is the bottoms. And for some of you guys who don't know, Tech Fleece actually has two tones. So this is actually going to be black and purple versus other ones were going to be just one tone. And then obviously here is the matching top. Right here, you can't really see it too well, but we'll get into the on body for you guys and you guys can check that out. And for the tops, guys, I do recommend going your true size. I am a size large. I weigh about 160 pounds. I am 5'10". The size large fits me pretty well. So go your true size with that. And the top will retail at $130, so keep that in mind. It is a little pricey. Now, as far as the sweats, go your true size if you want that baggy feel. So for me, a size medium gives me that baggy feel, but if I want that slim tapered look, then you do want to go down one size. So a size small for me to be that preferred look. But enough talking, guys. Let's get into the actual on body. But real quick, guys, actually follow my Instagram at YoungWonderBirdo to see some more streetwear and Nike content, sneaker related as well. I do post there once, maybe even twice a day. There's always something daily, guys, on there, and I think you'd like the content I do provide there as well. And real quick, if you find any of this helpful or like the content you're seeing, definitely give this video a thumbs up. It helps others see this video and bumps it up in the algorithm. That really does help this channel grow too, guys, so I really do appreciate a little 1-2 seconds of your time. So thank you very much. okay, coming back from the try on haul of the Nike Tech Fleece, you guys can see it's a pretty nice little streetwear look, or even just a cozy like hanging out look. Now preferably I like to wear them with just trainers, slides, Jordan 1s, almost anything really. Tech Fleece is just a very comfy piece of apparel, so I really do recommend getting yourself a pair if you can. The purple one is just dope because the last purple one that came out sold out, and there was just crazy resale. That was the best purple they came out with so far, but this one I will take it. I'm still very happy to even have somewhat of a purple. But yeah guys, that's gonna do it for me. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Once again, like I said, it helps other people see this video, helps me bump it up in the algorithm, helps me grow as a channel. And speaking of growing as a channel, if you guys are new here, definitely subscribe. I do post Mondays and Thursdays, and I would love to see you guys here in the near future. Lastly guys, one more time, follow my Instagram at YoungWinterBirdo. Like I said, I post daily, sometimes twice a day, so go check out the content. But that's gonna do it for me guys, so stay fresh and stay fly. I'm out.